brand new whip. I just met a bad little. I feel good, I'ma go and buy a fit. I just spent 2K to go and have my look. They don't wanna see me happy, see me winning. I had to go and put in work you niggas didn't.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back at it again with another video. Today we're about to be unboxing the Blackstone Grill I just got for Christmas. We're gonna be unboxing it, seasoning it, and we're gonna be having some content for food content on the way. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to watch food content in the future. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get it. First, get this. Looks like the cover. Later. Other box. Save that. This goes on this part. Doing this is the bad boy right here. Okay. Hard cover, I'm assuming. Yeah, this is the hard cover. That's for when we aren't using it and we don't want it to get weathered on. Okay, this looks like the side tray. Little side tray where you put your meats. Put your meats and your goodies. Okay. Another side tray. You know you gotta have one on the left side, you gotta have one on the right side, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit. This is the big daddy right here. Alright, now we gotta build it, and I'm gonna take you along with it. Alright, now that we have it assembled, we're gonna do the last final piece. complete. Now I'm gonna take you guys and we're gonna season this, and I'll show you how to season your Blackstone Grill for the first time. It's gonna be my first time as well, so let's get it. Alright guys, so now we're gonna season the grill. First, we're gonna start off by cleaning it with some soap and some water. Went down, water, Alright, so after that, we're going to want to start the grill. Start the grill and get hot. Alright, as you can see, the top layer has changed colors. And what we're going to do, we're gonna take a tablespoon of this Blackstone Griddle seasoning. And we're just gonna let it 1 tablespoon at a time. We'll do a thin layer. Do a thin layer. Spread it out evenly. You want a nice thin layer. Nice thin layer. You let it burn off. You want to repeat this by like a couple times, 2-3 times. Once it burns off, we'll do that a couple more times. Back. All of it. Don't worry about it smoking too much. That's what we're trying to get it to do. So, 20 layers at a time. They recommend 2 to 3 tablespoons, but I don't see what's the difference if you want to add more and make it more seasoned. For me, the more seasoned, the better. Just gonna let that burn off a little bit. Once that starts getting a little done, I'm gonna do another layer. I'll probably do 1 or 2 more layers. And then once that's done, that's it. We can start cooking. What y'all want to see for the first cooking meal? What y'all want to see on the Blackstone? Some breakfast, some smash burgers, some hot cheese. What do you guys want to see? Looks good already. Go ahead and do that one. To be safe, I'll do it one more time and then I think I'll call it. And that's basically it. We're ready to cook now. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, and some food content is coming to you. Thank you.
I just got a brand happy, see me winning. I had to go and put in work, you niggas didn't.